Hey, welcome children. We'll study today class 8th lesson 1 resources. This is your SST teacher Poonam Awasthi. In this part we will understand human resource. I hope you people have subscribed my channel. If not yet done, please subscribe and share it, and if you like my videos, please press like button also. So today we are going to understand about human resource. In the last topic we have understood that human is also a resource. How? Because human can utilize the other resources, so that we say that human is also a resource. So if we have to talk about human resource, so when can a human be a resource? So with the help of knowledge, skill and technology, a human can be a good resource, and by which further that human can further develop other useful resources. So people are human resource. If I want to define it, how can I? It refers to the mental and physical abilities of people. It means that people who are knowledgeable, skillful and know the use of technology can create the other resources. Yes or no? And if I have to say that how can human resource can be developed, so with the development of education, health and skills in the humans, human resource can be developed, because ultimately all of these three are going to enhance the quality of the people, and this quality further is going to help in the development of other resources. I hope meaning of human resource and how human resource can be developed, it is clear. With the help of education, health and skill development, by giving training, by providing good health facilities and educational facilities, human resource can be developed, and ultimately it is going to enhance the quality of the people, and it will help for further development in the country. So if I have to give you in a very broader term now, if we'll talk about two countries here, imaginary we have taken country A and country B. So if we'll talk about country A's population is very high, natural resources are also available, and human resource development is low here. And here in country B, population although is low, natural resources are less, but human resource development is high. So which country people will make efficient use of resources, the other resources which are available? So you can see that natural resources are there in country A, but people here are not fully developed, and here natural resources are less, but human resource development is high. It means people are educated, healthy and skillful. So who can use better the resources which are available? So yes, you all are right. Country B people, those who are upgraded in human resource development, can utilize the other natural resources skillfully. Why this country is more developed? Because they have invested also on the people, especially in the field of education, health and skill. I hope with this example, country A and B, you may have understood the value of human resource development, why every country emphasizes so much on education, health and these skill facilities for the citizens. So children, in this video we have done human resource development, and we have seen an example by which we understood that human resource development is necessary, because these people, skilled people, are going to develop the other resources. Hope till now you have understood meaning and types and this topic, human resource. Do the past assignments and feel free, children, to write your queries in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.